भारत के विदेश मंत्री एसएम कृष्णा पाकिस्तान दौरे पर रवाना होने वाले हैं। 7 तारीख को पाकिस्तान पहुंचेंगे। 8 तारीख को उनकी मुलाकात पाकिस्तान के विदेश मंत्री हिना रब्बानी खर से होगी। हमारे साथ खास तौर पर बात करने के लिए विदेश मंत्री एसएम कृष्णा है, उनसे बात करते हैं। सर, थैंक यू सो मच यू आर गिविंग टाइम टू अस। माय फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन टू यू इज, सर, यू आर मीटिंग हिना रब्बानी खर in Islamabad. What is your expectations? What do you expect out of it? Any positive outcomes?
Well, the very fact that I have been invited to go to Pakistan by Foreign Minister Hina Rabbani Khar is indicative of the fact that there is a desire on Pakistan's part to improve the relations with India. India has always taken the position that the all outstanding issues between our two countries will have to be discussed across the table, and an amicable settlement of these outstanding issues. Looking back into the history of our relationship, we do not expect too much from my visit to Pakistan. This has today, in the context of global developments, an historic necessity, and I think both the countries realize that we should move in that direction. But all outstanding issues cannot be decided. There are complications, there are technical issues.
Prime Minister Manmohan Singh just met President Zardari, and he made it clear to him that he'll undertake a visit to Pakistan only when there is forward movement on 26/11. Are you going to push for it, sir?
Well, everything depends ultimately as to what is possible and what is feasible. When we will have to strike the right kind of balance. So let me go to Pakistan, feel the atmosphere there, and perhaps after I come back from Pakistan, I think I could report back to the Prime Minister, and thereafter the Prime Minister can take a view about his visit to Pakistan.
Recent intelligence inputs that perhaps there was Pakistan's hand behind violence in Assam, and there are issues like Abu Jundal's confession before the intelligence agencies about his involvement in 26/11. Well, are you going to raise these two particular issues?
Those issues which are already under investigation will certainly not be raised by me, because the investigations have got to proceed unhindered, uninterfered by the executive.
Sir, on this issue of Sarabjit, very recently we saw reports that he wrote a letter to his family members here that he suspects that he is being slowly poisoned. Are you going to raise this issue for his early release?
Well, I have met the family of Sarabjit Singh, and I have heard from them their agony and anguish. I have conveyed to them that whenever we get an opportunity to talk to our counterparts in Pakistan, we have always raised Sarabjit Singh's issue, and then we have requested that a humane view has to be taken, and at this ripe age, I think it would be desirable that Pakistan shows mercy on him and send him back to India.